Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. Alibaba and Lolli partnered to give you 5% in Bitcoin. Wow, imagine that. 5% of what you spend on Alibaba is going to be given back to you through Lolli in Bitcoin. Kind of interesting. So, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. Now, Alibaba partners with Lolli to allow U.S. shoppers earn free Bitcoin. Recently, I did a brief article about how CNBC has pointed out Lolli as one of the biggest or best startups of 2019, and they made the top 100 rank on CNBC's top 100 startups of 2019. And so it's interesting that Lolli has continued to be in the news this week. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba has partnered with Bitcoin rewards shopping app Lolli, enabling its shoppers to earn 5% back in Bitcoin. Alibaba customers can now get Satoshis, sats, the smallest unit of Bitcoin currency, worth 0.000 BTC when shopping thousands of items online, Lolli says. The world's biggest retailer and biggest one-day shopping event. The partnership was announced on Singles Day, a shopping holiday that is celebrated in China on November 11th and is considered to be the world's biggest one-day shopping event. According to Lolli, Alibaba shoppers spent more than $31 billion, that's US dollars, on Singles Day in 2018. Alex Adelman, CEO and founder at Lolli, pointed out that the new move is a milestone partnership for Lolli, as Alibaba is the largest retailer and e-commerce company in the world. He stated, "Our partnership allows our users to earn free Bitcoin on millions of products online every day. Arguably, the most important piece of this partnership is that it supports our mission of connecting the entire world through commerce." Now, the feature is only available in the United States. According to CoinDesk's report, the new program will only be available to purchases in the United States. Aubrey Strobel, Lolli's head of communications, reportedly claimed that residents in China will not be able to participate and products will be shipped from China to U.S. users. In the report, Adelman highlighted the firm's plans to expand globally in 2020 and emphasized that the partnership is a great first step to connect China and the U.S. through Bitcoin and commerce. So what we're seeing is Bitcoin growing and growing more mainstream as it's being used in a lot of different applications for purchases. The Bakkt exchange, BAKKT, which is a joint venture between the company that owns the New York Stock Exchange, Starbucks, and Microsoft, the three of these mega monolithic companies, these huge three companies, because the company that owns the New York Stock Exchange is a $9 billion company. Microsoft and Starbucks are both multi-billion-dollar companies in their own rights, and the three of them have partnered up, and they will be introducing an app that will do the same thing that Lolli does, just without, I want to say without the rewards program, but I don't know. There could be a rewards program associated with the app that Bakkt introduces. And so right now we're seeing more and more and more applications and opportunities to spend Bitcoin at retail establishments to purchase goods and services. And so this is just one more example of Bitcoin being available for purchasing goods and services. The interesting thing is I don't know about you, but most cash back credit cards don't give you 5% back. And this is giving you 5% back in Bitcoin, which could be substantial if you spend a lot of money with Alibaba or because it is with Lolli, Lolli has thousands of different online e-commerce such as Macy's and Walmart and a whole bunch of other companies. Go and investigate Lolli for yourself, because every time that you purchase stuff online, you could be getting Bitcoin paid back to you just because you're using the Lolli application. Anyway, that's enough out of me. How can I be of service to you? If you are curious about Bitcoin or just now investigating it, please feel free to ask questions below. We want to help you in this crazy world of internet money, and I know that you can be successful with this. You can make investments with Bitcoin that will make you money. Take a look at some of our cryptocurrency for investing for beginner video series, and you'll learn a whole lot about getting started with investing in Bitcoin. In the meantime, I hope that you will like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a fantastic day.